Deb with home cooking is for the birds. Y'all, I'm going to make a yummy, yummy crockpot dessert. We're going to start off with 1 cup of instant oats, or you can use rolled oats for this recipe. And then we're going to add a 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 cup of self-rising flour, 1/2 cup of melted butter. Now let's give this a really good mix. You want to mix this until you see all of the flour incorporated into the mix. You want to make sure that you save the wrapper off of your butter because we're going to use that to oil our crock pot with. Once you've oiled your crock pot, we are going to need 2 cans of apple pie filling, and we're going to add those 2 cans of apple pie filling right into that crock pot. There really is no need to add anything to the apple pie filling because it has all the seasoning that you will need for this recipe. Unless you just want to, you could add some cinnamon or nutmeg. You could even add pecans to this. I wanted to add raisins, but my husband doesn't like either or, so we're just keeping it simple. But wouldn't raisins be so good in this? But then you're going to take your topping and you're just going to put that right on top. The aroma of cinnamon filled our home while this was cooking in the crock pot. We're going to set this on high and cook it for 2 hours, and 2 hours later, voila, this is ready to be served. And y'all, you can't forget the ice cream. Some good old vanilla bean ice cream right on top. This was so quick, easy, and it was delicious.